Family, welcome back to another video. It was raining a lot last night. You can see a lot of water on the roof. I'm coming out here because no signal. I'm just looking for the signal just to upload my video. I tried to upload from my room, but it doesn't work. That's why just coming out on the roof just to get the better signals and also to see the weather, how is it going. So it was raining a lot last night. We don't have electricity. I just have finished cooking breakfast for Gulu and I woke up Gulu and now he's been ready for the school. And I need to be ready for my work after some times. But I first need to go shower. So today I'm feeling so weak. Guys, I just want to show the view. You can see. And I just want to see my old apartment. The solar light is still there. This is the morning view from the terrace, as you can see. And just wanna see the moringa leaves. I just wanna make it the lunch, maybe the dinner tonight. We have a lot of moringa leaves now. As you can see, a lot of moringa leaves. Guys, you have to eat this leaf, fry or curry. It's really good for the health. It helps you to control the blood sugar, helps you to control the blood pressure, cholesterol. So it's a kind of medicine. So it's always good. I would like to share the fullest vlog today. So if you like to watch the video, please keep watching. Just going back to the room. Wait, I like that house so much. You can see that house. Not this one, but this one. So beautiful. I love it so much.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
You ready now?
Yes.
Okay. Come, let's go. So we're gonna be a little bit late today because it's raining. We've been just waiting for the good time. That's right. So the rain stopped now, and we can go outside. Okay, Gulu, come. Okay. Close the doors, and just come. Follow me. Okay.
Yeah.
Close all the doors, but
Okay.
don't close this door. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Close. Don't forget to
I
close the
know,
kitchen,
I know.
and don't close this one. The whole door.
I know, I know.
Okay. So come, follow me. Oof, it's going to be hot weather today. The rain just stopped. Finally, my BMW. I just heard some sound from this one. It's just like abnormal sound. Oh my god, it's full brightness today. You can see. Oh my god. Huh? What's wrong? Okay, go. Open the gate. Do your best, okay?
Okay.
Hold the camera. I'm about to take my helmet because my hair is so wet right now. That's why I'm just not gonna use the helmet. But I'm sure we're okay, let's go. I just dropped Gulu and now I'm on the way to my work. Oh my god. Good morning. Sit down. So I have to start the class right now. These are all my students. I have to grade the papers. So. Hi Albert. Hi. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. How are you,
I'm fine.
Mr. Hero? She's Monisha. Hi Monisha. So Albert is the class topper in this class. What's your roll number?
What?
1. So I just want to show you that Albert is roll number 1 and he is the topper, class topper. Getting roll number 1 is not easy. He needs to do a lot of hard works. And she's Monisha. She's the second topper. Novozoti is the third. This one. This is Novozoti. He is third class topper. And the fourth one is Mr. Hero. He's number 4. And I'm not gonna count the other. The rest of the students are behind number 4. From here, he's Hector. Manam Lavina. Oh, Bilit Charan. Mr. Bilit. And he's Prince. And he is no Raja. He needs emergency girlfriend. Just try to find out. Just one girlfriend for him.
Sir,
Hmm.
Imagine we go observing Shilay. Although print fishing,
I say to the boy, that boy is not you. So you is not you. So you have to write he instead of boy. Boy ni jagao he hodo. Mane be nung no nalai. So the time is 1:52. He came from school. Have you finished your lines?
Yes,
Okay. How was your school, Gulu?
it's good.
Okay. What did you learn today?
Just explaining.
Just talking to Gulu this time. Explaining only?
Yeah.
Okay. So did you take the vaccination?
No.
Actually, you know what? The Indian government provides some vaccination. But I asked Gulu not to take the vaccines. Did you take it?
No.
No. That's okay. So I don't like it. I don't like it. Just I don't like it. So how many people took vaccines?
I don't know.
You don't know. In your class?
No one.
No one took the vaccine.
Yeah.
And did you see some other class?
Yeah. My was tongue. Those was I'm just close next time.
10 to 16
Yeah.
years old. So you're 13.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to take this vaccine, so you can also take it.
Yes.
But I asked Gulu not to take the vaccines. So guys, the time is now 1:53 p.m. And I just want to visit the hillside of the city. Would you like to come with me?
I don't wanna go.
You don't want to go because you want to play soccer outside.
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure you close all the door before you leave in the house.
Okay.
And just take care of the house, okay?
Okay.
And try to come home before the sunset.
Okay.
I don't like when you play outside, like until it becomes dark. So, in my opinion, you need to get home before it's getting dark, before the sunset. How many friends are there in a school that you play every day with them?
5, 6.
5 or 6.
Yes.
Are they all good people?
Yeah.
Do you know them
Yes.
from your school?
Yes.
Okay. It's a good advice from my side. People in your age they try to do a lot of things, a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Sometimes they try to do the bad things too, so you don't need to get involved in that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
That's just good for you.
Yeah.
Just okay, I'm just going to the hillside because feeling not okay myself. I don't know why. Finally, just arrived at my favorite place. You can see the mountain. I mean the hills. So this is the hillside of the city. I like to come here. It looks so beautiful in reality, but I can't show you everything on the camera. This is my real feelings. Only the nature can fix my problems, my anxiety, my depression, my overthinking. It's just sloping up. There was a small landslide here. I'm going up right now, guys. Climbing up the mountain. That's so wonderful. That's so beautiful. So guys, I just stopped here. It's sloping up and this side it's sloping down. I just stopped my scooter here and I just noticed that the engine light is on now, as you can see. And I just want to take some videos. I really like it so much, surrounded by the nature when I come here. So you can see a lot of trees. Guys, there is a small water, as you can see. Maybe you can't see on the camera, but I see that. And can you hear the sound of the water? I just want to show you this area. When I came here, people were just planting some paddy, I think what's called this one, some rice plant. These are all rice plants. You can see it looks so green now. It's going to give some fruits. That's so beautiful. That's someone's house. You can see the car. And it looks so beautiful this side. This is the road. This is paddy field and this is paddy field. Green, green. That's someone's house. So beautiful. I'm sitting down here. So cool place. You can see the hill behind me, and this is the sitting area. I'm just sitting down here, guys, and enjoying the view. I would like to show you the view over here, guys. Guys, you can see the lake view. That's so big lake. You can see.